Good morning, children. Welcome to all of you. This is exercise 11A of chapter 11. Name of the chapter is Symmetry and Nets of Solids. Okay. And in the previous video, I have explained the same exercise from question 1 to question 5. And in this video, this is the second part of this exercise. So I'm going to explain you from question 6 onwards. Okay. So let us start today's video with question number 6. State the order of rotational symmetry for the following. So here is a figure in part A. This is the figure given in the part A. In part A, and we have to tell the order of rotational symmetry. What is order of rotational symmetry? It means if we rotate this figure, so how many times can we rotate it and its appearance will not be changed. So if we rotate it like this is the second, this is the third method, and this is the fourth method. So we can rotate it 4 times. So it has order of rotational symmetry 4. Order of rotational symmetry is equal to 4. Okay. Now the next figure is this. So here also you can rotate it 4 times. Like if I draw the line of symmetry for this figure, so this is the first line of symmetry, this is the second line of symmetry, so we can rotate it 4 times. Okay, so it has also line order of rotational symmetry 4. Now the next figure is this. So it has 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can rotate it 5 times. So the order of rotational symmetry for this figure is 5. And now look at this figure. How many lines this figure has? So how many lines can you count it? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines are there. So it is octagon, and we can rotate it 8 times because it has 8 line of symmetries. Okay, 4 line of symmetry. Sorry, 1, 2. But you don't have to draw line of symmetry. You just have to tell the order of rotational symmetry. So it has 8 lines. Therefore, the order of rotational symmetry is 8 in this figure. Okay. Now, question number 7. From question 7, you have to tick the right option. It is multiple choice question. Question 7 says which letter does not have a line of symmetry? E, or T or G or M. So if we talk about E, so the line of symmetry of E is this. T also has a line of symmetry. M also has a line of symmetry, but G does not have line of symmetry. So the right option is G. Okay. Question 8. Which of the following shows reflection symmetry? Which of the following shows reflection symmetry? This is H, and the line is like this here. Smiley face. This is the line of symmetry. Semicircle, although it's not a circle. Okay, so this is the line of symmetry. And this figure, this is the line of symmetry. So we have to tell in which of the following shows reflection symmetry. So this doesn't show reflection symmetry because if you look at the figure, you will not find the identical figure both the side of this line. Here also it doesn't have identical figure. Okay, so this is also not the correct option. This is the correct option because if you look at both side of this line, you will find the same structure. Okay, that is why this is the right option. Question 9. Which of the following has a rotational symmetry but not a reflection symmetry? First is a square, second is a rectangle, third is a pentagon, and fourth is a parallelogram. This is part A, part B, part C, and part D. So, question is saying which of the following has rotational symmetry but not a reflection symmetry. Okay, so let us see which is the right. So here, this is the figure. This is the rhombus, not actually parallelogram. This is the rhombus. It has rotational symmetry because if we rotate it, it will look same, but it doesn't have reflection symmetry because if we draw this line, so this is not the reflection symmetry. If we draw this line, then this also not shows the reflection symmetry. So this is the right option. Question 10. Which of the following does not have an order 4 of rotational symmetry? And the figure, the part D, in which this figure is given. So this figure basically does not have an order of 4 rotational symmetry because you can rotate it only 3 times, I think. Not actually 3 times also, because if you rotate it like this, look at this. Imagine how are you going to rotate it? If you rotate it 1 times here, so you will find structure something like this. Okay, so it is not looking like same as you can see here. So that is why D is the right option. Otherwise, all the figures, all the 3 figures in question number 10 have 4 rotational symmetry. Question 11. Draw the line of draw the line or lines of symmetry in each letter of the given word. So the first letter is M. So the line of symmetry for M is this. The next letter is A, then T, H, and S. So let us draw the line of symmetry for A. This is the line of symmetry for A. This is the line of symmetry for T. These are two. There are two lines of symmetry for H, and there is no line of symmetry for S. Okay. And this question also says identify the letters which have rotational symmetry. So only H and S has rotational symmetry. H and S have symmetry. Okay, fine. So this was exercise 11A, which is completed. In the next video, I will explain exercise 11B. Till then, thank you so much.